Hey, how's it going? Be Live here in Santa Monica. It's raining today. Oh, thank you, Earth. Thank you, Mother, for this wonderful rain so that all of our plants, trees, fruits, vegetables may grow and be nourished. Ah, I love the rain as much as I love the sun. Mmm. Yeah, I just actually cut myself. I cut myself pretty good. Took a big chunk out of my top of my hand. Yes, the second best cut I have ever incurred as a chef, both by opening coconuts with a meat cleaver. Both times I should have known. The first time a little bit more than the second. This time I found a new way to open a coconut recently, and I really liked it. And I knew there was a little bit of danger with it, and finally it got to me. Luckily it only sliced into the top of my head. Oh, you hear what I said? Thank God it didn't do that. I said it only sliced into the top of my head. I meant hand, of course. So yeah, so grateful for these little things that help humble me. Little things that help me remember. Oh, it hurts. No, it definitely hurts. These are the times when I wish I had a private chef myself. I had a personal chef, and my baby, my goddess, my lovely sweetheart Oshun is in school and studying hard, plus is leaving for Alabama on Wednesday. So yeah, kind of considering doing a water and food fast. Kind of not by choice. Well, I thought I would serenade you and share a lovely song that I would actually just love to share with you. Oh, I hear a garbage truck coming. Maybe it's not the perfect time, or maybe it'll go by really quickly. Maybe it'll be good background music. Aha, it's just going through the alley. I wanna be free, so free, like a dolphin in the sea, like a bird in the tree, like a flower and the bee. I wanna fly so high, like an eagle in the sky. And when my time has come, I wanna lay down and fly. Pachamama, I'm coming home to that place where I belong. Pachamama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. I wanna be me, be free, be the being that I see, not to rise and not to fall, being one and loving all. There's no high, there's no low, there's no place left to go, except inside a little star, saying be just who you are. Inside a little star, saying be just who you are. One more time. Pachamama, I'm coming home to the place where I belong. Pachamama, I'm coming home to that place where I belong. Thank you, Mother Earth, Pachamama, Saranda, ay 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 ay, yee-hee. The Goddess Earth, Father God, the Sun, the air, the every element, fire. Thank you. I will heal. Don't worry. I'm a big time healer. I heal very quickly. Love you so much.